Morning traders. Welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Disclaimer. Always remember that this is trade ideas and not financial advice. So please trade with caution and minimize your risk. Don't trade with money you can afford to lose. Okay, starting today's analysis, we start from where we left off yesterday and how we did take a trade from this particular level. And if you remember, I talked about this impulsive leg that we are yet to make our weak high, and we are still expecting markets to continue to move higher. So, as we have it, this particular leg here, this level that we have here, is the one that gives birth to all these movements that we are seeing here. So, the big range, I avoided the big range, and we could have easily take it, but it's gone. We missed another opportunity here and another opportunity, but we were able to capitalize on this one. And I put the trade out 1 to 5 years today. But because I will not be able to, I'm not able to sit down with the trade, so I reduce it to 1 to 3 just for me to kind of quickly bank wherever I want to bank out of the market. And yesterday afternoon, when I come back, I found that we created an internal structure here. And market did come back, retrace back into the internal structure to give us some kind of higher movement. So let's start, even though I'm in pain now because the opportunities that we missed, in fact, I didn't mean we didn't analyze it. I'm just coming to the market to see what is going on. I did analyze this OB, but I didn't take it. I saw the imbalance here on Monday, the gap that was created, and I should have taken it, but because I wasn't settled with the system, so I guess these days I've got to be more and more serious with my trading, so that at least we'll be able to capitalize more on um on making the market. Because once your analysis is working and you're out of the market and you can't capitalize on it, you know those are wasted opportunities to make money. And that's the reason why I'm kind of pained in the market. And this 1 to 5 years today too. Uh, but nonetheless, leaving money on the table is the power of the game. Initially, the first movement got us 1 to 3 perfectly. And this particular level here also, the internal structure would have given us, but as you can see, is a fair value gap of 4 hours. So it would have given us a perfect 1 to 5. But nonetheless, it's a missed opportunity. We're not going to allow that to continue to happen. So let's read, let's try and see. Our concentration is on the right side of the market. And what do we have here? Here becomes our strong low. Here is where our strong low is. And that's the level we're expecting markets to protect. But we are yet to have our weak high because of what is the market is still gyrating upward. But as we can see, we have all these levels taken out of the market. But for us to have some kind of clarity, let's go to um okay, so higher time frame. And as we can see, we can still have some kind of movement into this level. But what we are seeing here, automatically here becomes a valid strong low that we are expecting markets to kind of react from. So what I'm able to see is this big order block that might kind of send price up and take away all these levels. Or from what we should always remember, markets gyrate from one PDRA to another. That's one other block in the past on daily that might be acted upon. So we'll be expecting some kind of reaction from that level. But we are on the right side of the market. So we will just let that be for now. It's a big range, but we'll be observing to sell from that particular level. So since the market is still going up and we are anticipating more higher prices in the market, just continue to follow the trend. And here, these are PD rate. So we might be expecting some kind of retracement into this particular level. Let's go to weekly to see and we can capitalize on. And as you can see, we talked about all these levels here being taken out of the market because of the level of what we have from this place. So on monthly, we can see the previous month I was taking, and I talked about this February candle being an inside bar. Now, whenever we have market transcend that level, then automatically we should be expecting some kind of a positive movement that will go above, that is an upsurge to bring a surge in price. So, what do we have here? Let's take it from daily and try to analyze what we can capitalize on. These are strong low, and market is yet to give us some kind of either retracement or reversal. So what we're going to do is still find a way of capitalizing on moving with the market because we are still expecting some higher prices in the market. So if we're going to do analyze that on 1 hour, do we see here is 4 hour trade, and we have this particular leg being the latest leg that has been created in the markets. And we can kind of try to do the analysis on what is it called, on lower time frame to see. So the only thing we are able to see from here now is this particular trade. We have this leg here, and this particular one can be traded below, as you can see. But from what we have here, this no, in fact, the market is moving already and is giving us that movement without, but we can be expecting price to kind of retrace back into this level. So let's try and see if we can just risk this trade and see what we can. In fact, that's it, 35 pips. The daily range yesterday, the average, the yesterday range was so high. In fact, picking from this low to this high, 156 pips. It was a very big range yesterday. So if at all want to kind of take any trade, let's go to, okay, let's go to 15 minutes. Might actually be expecting some kind of retracement, but if we want to be on the safer side, but the best place for us to take the trade is just this particular level, is using the orange anyway. Using the orange will kind of be the proper something. So if this level is being transcended lower, then we can be expecting, because from what I can see here, I can see the fact that, okay, this liquidity void has been acted upon. I have this liquidity void here, and has been acted upon. So if at all, if you're going to be taking any trades, so kind of like taking this 355. Okay, let's kind of see 356. Let's make it 356, and that would be 56 times, that's 18 1 rand. 1088. That will give us 1 to 3. Let's see where. There's 6. Okay. Okay, it should be 102.0. I guess that should give us perfect 136 times 3. I'm mistaken. That's 9018. Yeah. 108. Sorry. So, so that's 108. 108 pips. Let's try and see if we can have. Let's see where it's lying perfectly. Okay. So it's going to be a very risky one. The risk market. We can just try and kind of like take the trade and see what will happen. Okay, so I still believe we're going to have, because the other block that we have here, other block do give way to impulsive movement in the market to give us very big expansion. And from what we are having here, at least it's going to be a very big expansion, and we have this block here. So, I pick a very big range. I pick a very big range, which is 36 pips. So, whatever happens today happen. We're going to kind of like try and capitalize on that. So that this will be my trade for today. So it's going to be a very risky one. Nonetheless, it's going to give us something tangible, at least so that we're able to be able to capitalize on the movement. So we're expecting some kind of reaction in this highlighted area. So that'll be my trade. That'll be all for today. Thank you very much.